What is up, y'all? It's your girl Riz, and I'm back with my first hair tutorial after being natural for a year and a few months, and I am so excited. So let's just jump in because I know y'all are too. All right, so we're starting off pretty lit. I'm drinking wine out of a straw, and my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. So I'm going to start by applying some argan oil throughout my entire head. This is just going to smooth and seal my hair with some moisture. Now you could really use any oil of your choice, but I opted for some argan oil because it's really lightweight and it doesn't weigh my hair down. So this is a great choice. And once that's applied, I'm going to go ahead and detangle and kind of comb my hair in place, prepping it for the foam lotion. Alright, I gotta give a huge shout out to my OG subbies who have been here with me from the very beginning. This product is dedicated to us because it is our favorite. This is the Nairobi Wrapp-It Shine Foam Lotion, and I call this stuff my Jesus in a bottle because I believe that it is truly one of the best foaming lotions out there. And I'm making sure that I saturate my whole entire head very thoroughly with this stuff, and then I'm going to begin my molding process. Now I'm making those ugly faces because I clearly haven't learned my lesson yet about doing this with my makeup on, but you know what? It's cool because my foundation stay put anyway. But this mold is no different than the ones that I've done in the past. I'm combing my hair straight forward, and the only difference is that I'm swinging most of the weight to the side that my part is on. So I'm just pulling the front to the opposite side, and then I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and smooth in the back and on the sides. So right here you can see me swooping that side of my hair to the opposite side. So go ahead and take a look from the back to the front just so you can see that the mold is not anything special. Now I'm taking my handy dandy mesh wrap and securing my hair in place, and then I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes. Did you guys see that Black Panther hit 1 billion today? Wakanda forever. So once I come from under the dryer, I'm going to comb out that mold to break up the cast a little bit. Then I'm going to use my Shea Silk Infusion, and this is a heat protectant serum that makes my hair oh so silky and shiny. I absolutely love this stuff, and I'm just distributing that throughout my entire head. Now I'm going to begin the flat ironing process, and just like the mold, you guys, I promise this isn't anything special at all. I'm just starting at the sides like I normally do, and then I'm making my way around my whole head. And I like to start at the crown of my head and then work my way down, and I do this technique on the sides, the back, and the front of my head. Also, I get so many questions about what type of flat iron this is, and I believe it's a 1/2 inch Red by Kiss ceramic tourmaline flat iron. I'm not exactly sure because this one is so old. I got it while I was in college, but I'll try to look for it for you guys and link it down below in the description box so you guys can purchase it from my Amazon store. So I'm just going to continue to bump my hair and give it some texture, but like I mentioned earlier, I'm not curling it in any specific way at all. Now when I get to the front of my head, you're going to see that I'm going to bump it a little bit differently, but for now I'm just going to play these clips in real time so you guys can see the technique. Alright, so we're coming around to the front of my head, and you're gonna see me again make really crazy faces because this flat iron gets so hot, and if you burn yourself, that's it. So I was really trying not to burn myself. But anyway, once you get to the front of your head and you get to the sides where it starts to curve, you definitely want to curl your hair in the opposite direction, which is why I made that little finger motion. You see the little little swoop motion. So you definitely want to curve in the same shape that you molded your hair in. So when you do get to the sides, just make sure that you curl it to the side that your part is on. I hope I'm explaining this right. If you guys just watch and see, you'll be able to get it. So for now, I'm just parting my head in sections so I can flat iron it in sections. And this part isn't anything special. I'm just doing my normal kind of bump. I don't remember what type of flat iron this one here is, but I'll definitely have it linked in the description box for you guys, again, to my Amazon store so you can purchase it for yourself. Alright, we're throwing it back to another one of my oldie but goodie favorites, and this is the Cantu Shea Butter Daily Oil Moisturizer, and I'm putting a dime-sized amount in my hands to distribute in my hair, and this is going to further moisturize my hair and also make it a little bit easier to shape with my wide tooth comb, which is what I'm about to do now. So this part, I mean, it's really kind of brainless. I'm just going in and shaping up my hair, kind of perfecting my pixie, just trying to, you know, just trying to make it do what it do. All right, y'all, now here's the secret sauce to get in that kind of spiky / wispy look on the side that I like to do. So I'm taking this wax stick, and this is by Luster's, and I'm taking it on my fingertips and then pinching it together. And you guys, this is gonna give me the best type of hold. I promise you, it's like the magic secret. Like, it's literally the secret sauce to the end of this look. So I'm just gonna play around with it and fiddle around like I always do. Your pixie is never perfect, which is why it's so cute. But that's it, you guys. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a look at the back of my head. Leave me any questions. Make sure you check the description box for all of the products and the links to them, and I will talk to you all in my next video. I love you so much. Mwah!